Hi, and welcome to the second tutorial of Tornado Alice. I'm Zheng Kang, and like what my friend Wei Jian just said, we are actually trying to achieve flight autonomy through flying through keyboard first. And how are we supposed to fly using a keyboard when you are actually supposed to use a controller in the first place? First, we need to understand how a controller works. When you are powering up using a controller, for example, you are giving a signal of sending full throttle. It actually gives a certain value to the NASA flight controller on board. And when you are pushing it down all the way, you give another different signal of a different value. And so that's what happened when you were trying to control a flight machine, for example, a quad-rotor. And if I were to power it, maybe an intermediate step, it will give a different value. So when you place the throttle at different places, it will give you different values. And this is how you actually control a NASA flight controller on board and eventually control a motor. And over here you can actually see that we have four different kinds of controls that we have to get the data. Because if you see over here, we actually have 1, 2, 3, and 4 different controls that actually controls the flight of a quad-rotor. And these are values that we were able to get through Arduino by testing the minimum and maximum. So this is actually our first step to achieving keyboard flight, because this will allow us, if we were to say, for example, the A, which stands for aileron, the minimum value is 1100 and the maximum value is 1918. So if we were to want to control this A, the aileron, we must be able to send in a signal that ranges between 1100 to 1918. So this is actually our first step to achieving keyboard flying. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.